Hello, I'm Christy with Clients First Business Solutions, and today our demonstration will focus on the Pro MRO workspace, specifically customer equipment. To begin, I would like to point out that Pro MRO is designed to assist MRO companies with creating quotes and work orders or projects to track all the costs associated by streamlining processes and creating real-time connections from the shop floor to accounting. Customer equipment is just one of the building blocks which make up Pro MRO. By utilizing customer equipment, you can track the manufacturer, the model, specific business accounts, and even project and quote history. We'll begin by starting out in the Pro MRO workspace and navigating to the customer equipment menu item under Profiles. The first screen that you see here is the grid, which populates all the equipments which have been created in the system. Here you can edit by using the pencil icon here, or you can create new by using the plus icon here. For this demonstration, I have created two equipments we will review to give you an idea of the fields to populate and their function. We'll start by selecting one of the equipment IDs here. As with most screens in Acumatica, this does have a header area as well as a details area below. So the first item that you see here is an equipment ID, which is a unique identifier that can be system generated or manually entered. Manufacturer, model, and equipment type ID are used to provide an additional level to categorize the equipment. You can predefine these fields, or you can simply create new by selecting the edit icon here, which will take you to that table for editing or to create new. Description auto-populates based on your model that you have entered into this field here. To identify this equipment as customer specific, you would need to populate the business account field here with your customer. On the details section below, the contacts here are auto-populated based on the business account field. For the projects tab or work orders, any project or work order that you have created with this equipment ID will populate under the projects tab. Opportunities. Any opportunity that have been created using the business account or the customer equipment will populate under opportunities, as well as work order quotes. This will give you a complete history of all the work order quotes that have used this equipment ID. And as a quick note, each area that you see here in the header are all reportable, so you can create specific generic inquiries or reports based on any field that you see here. And as I mentioned earlier, by utilizing customer equipment, you can track the manufacturer, the model, specific business accounts, and even project and quote history. This will conclude today's demonstration on Pro MRO customer equipment, and please reach out to Clients First with the information provided on the slide to get more information.